Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have the most wonderful day. Today guys, I just wanted to show you this massive pack of mini mysteries. Inside this pack, we have 20 or more mini mystery packets. I'm not really sure what they are. I think they're food items or mini food charms, something like that. But I'm super excited to see what we've got inside. I think, I'm actually really not sure what these guys are, but they are super exciting. I bought these from Temu. It was £2.50 for 20, which I think is okay because, I mean, I love a mystery. And look how adorable, like really adorable these are. So without wasting time, we're going to get right on because we have 20 or more of these things to open. So let's go with our first one. Who loves a mystery? Let me know in the comment section below if you love opening mystery packs. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. This is a little, I believe, a burger, which is totally cute and adorable. I love the purple lilac plate. And these are really fun if you have a doll's house or you do doll play, that you can have these little mini items. The other good thing about these are that you can use them as phone charms. So you can actually stick something on the back and use it as a charm. You could put magnetic tape on the back and use it as a magnet. But my first little one, being a hamburger, is super duper cute. Number two. Oh, it's thin. Oh, this is cute. These are actually food bottles. I'm not actually sure. This is just a mystery bundle. This is a Coca-Cola in the glass bottles, which are some of my favorite ways to drink fizzy drinks are out of glass bottles. But we have Coca-Cola. It's not very clear if I can get it to focus, but super duper Coca-Cola to go along with our hamburger. What have we got in this one? Ooh, flat back. Is this a cake? But we have some sort of, I think, little dessert right here, which is adorable. Cute. Next one is more food. Ooh, is this steak? And sushi? And eggs and bread? Adorable. We have something else. What? Oh, we have a little sweet treat, almost like a long donut, which is adorable. Super duper cute. This one's very flat. Very flat. And what did we get? A cracker, I believe. This is a cracker. I like the paintwork on these, and the texture is actually really nice as well. So we have a little cracker. This one, again, is very flat. What have we got? Ooh. This, I believe, is a banana slice. It absolutely is a banana slice. And it's super weird and a little bit cute. We're building up a nice little food pile over here. And what else? These look like eyes poking out. Donut, maybe? Yeah, this is definitely a donut, but a donut with eyes. Looks more like a bit of a poop, but still quite fun. A little donut hole right here. And then we'll go for this one. This one is not flat. What have we got inside here? Ooh, is this a pie? This looks like a pie. This looks so nice. Super cute. Adorable. I love how they put the shine on the top so it makes it look better. Let's open a different one. This one feels a bit like a keyring. Let's have a... Oh, this is a keyring. Okay, so we have our little keyring right here. Push in one. And who did we get? Turn around. Oh my gosh. Is this my Melody? This is adorable. Super cute. The backing is pink and the rest of, I think, the acrylic or the resin is like see-through, but that is super duper cute. What else do we have? Let's open a purple one. Another keyring. Wow. is that pom purin. Wow, that is so cute. Again, we have the little push. Look at how adorable. So cute. I'm loving the fact that we're not just getting food and drinks items here, that we are also getting some keychains, which are, or these are probably more of a key charm than a keychain, but we have, ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. Like I said, guys, if you like minis, or you have like a mini dollhouse, these are so cute and adorable for your mini dollhouse, for around your dinner table. This one, I believe, is prawns or shrimp, as some people say. So a shrimp dinner, which is adorable. Let's open another pink one. What have we got in here? This looks like a little ray of sunshine. What did we get? Ooh, some sort of flour cake. Nice. Let's open this yellow one. I think this is a keychain. Oh, how cute. I don't know this little character's name, or if this character has a name, but if you guys know, please comment below. But I love these little charm attachments, the little keychain bit at the top. But this guy is adorable. It's just yellow at the back, but super cute. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2, 4, 5, 6 left. Let's open a purple. These ones are heavy. So these ones, I think, are more keychains. Let's have a look. Oh, this is an orange keychain, which is adorable. Oh, you are so cute. Is this like Winnie the Pooh? Maybe, maybe not, but cute and adorable. I love the orange. I love the orange keychain at the top. It's really, really cute. Let's open another pink one. Oh, this seems actually quite big. Let's see what we've got going on in here. Ooh, these are like dumplings, steamed dumplings. They are cute and adorable. I don't know what style or flavor these dumplings are, but they are very, very cute. And let's open one more pink. Oh, what is this? Anybody? Any ideas? Don't know, but it's cute. Let's open a purple one. Oh, look at this little bird with a strawberry. How cute and adorable is this? This is just beyond super cute. Really, really lovely. Brown at the back, but the rest is actually like see-through, if you can see that. That is cute. Let's go for the last pink and see what we've got. Oh, this is a duplicate of one we've already had. But I'm not mad, because they're both still very adorable. And then our last little mystery. Let's open this up. Another keychain. What did we get? Oh, this is another, well, sort of another duplicate. So we got this one earlier, but it has the little yellow clip. This is the same one, but with the pink clip. And I think my favorite in this mystery pack so far are definitely these little key charms, but also this little Coca-Cola. It is too adorable. Well, guys, we have opened up all of our little mystery bundles, our little mystery packs. These were a lot of fun, and I definitely think I would buy these again. I also think I got excellent items for the money that I paid for these little surprises. And if you love a surprise, what better way just to get a little bit of a smile than buy these adorable little charms and accessories. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber, I would love to have you here. Please feel free to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. And I want to say, leave any comments in the comments section. I'll come back to you just as soon as I can. Again, guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.